When people were forced to work from home thanks to COVID 19, a lot of them eventually realized the importance of keeping their gadgets up to date. They had to invest in better and new phones, cameras that can work as webcams, audio devices, and certainly laptops. I remember as soon as there was this lockdown edict, one of my friends called me and asked me about which laptop to buy because it was and still is a necessity for a working professional. Fortunately, several tech majors have come out with really impressive offerings on a budget. Yes, we have top flight features included in a laptop that are under rupees 50,000 only. So these laptops are generally equipped with the capable processors, graphic cards and also storage options. Well, you are already here and watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain and in this video, I'm going to tell you about which laptop to buy under rupees 50,000 for your work from home. So keep watching. I will just start in a bit. Before that, you go to our channel India Today Tech, subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Let's get started. The first laptop that we have is Xiaomi's Mi Notebook 14. This one has been popular mainly for two reasons. One, its aggressive pricing, and two, its powerful specifications. The laptop is powered by a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor. The Mi Notebook 14 comes with NVIDIA's GeForce MX 250 graphics card, 512GB SSD, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and a 14-inch Full HD anti-glare display. It weighs 1.5 kg, sports a light and sleek form factor, and is priced at Rs 48,000. We vouch for Mi Notebook 14 for its lightweight, fast SSD, performance and of course pricing. Well, next on our list is HP 15S, which was launched in September last year. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display and is powered by quad-core AMD Ryzen 3 processor. The device is equipped with AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics, along with 8GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB HDD, and 256GB SSD. It runs Windows 10 Home 64 and comes with a year's warranty. For those who want to buy it, HP 15S is available for Rs 34,000 approximately. We have liked the HP 15S for its design, performance, and yes, decent battery life. This laptop also supports HP Fast Charge as well. The VivoBook 14 series has seen some really impressive offerings by ASUS. The VivoBook 14 in particular is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor. In addition, it carries 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD. It comes with a 14-inch Full HD LED backlit anti-glare display with 200 nits brightness. The laptop comes with a fingerprint sensor, Windows 10 Home, and a subscription to Microsoft Office 365. ASUS VivoBook 14 is a good buy for its compact and modern design, large SSD, and also for its comfortable keyboard. Yes, it is a value for money laptop at Rs 50,000. The next on the list is a 2-in-1 tablet by Lenovo, which doubles up as a tablet. Yes, it is called Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. And users will probably like it for its lightweight as well. The laptop weighs around 1.5 kg and is easy to carry. IdeaPad Flex 5 comes with an Intel Core i3 11th generation processor, along with an 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, and runs Windows 10 Home. It offers a 14-inch Full HD LED backlit IPS multi-touch display with 250 nits brightness. The laptop is equipped with a fingerprint sensor and an MS Office subscription. Available at Rs 50,000, we really like this laptop for its 2-in-1 feature, its lightweight, and also for its performance. Similar to Lenovo's tablet cum laptop or laptop cum tablet, there is ASUS VivoBook Flip 14. It comes with a 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor that is coupled to a 4GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. It runs Windows 10 Home and comes with an MS Office subscription. The 1.5 kg laptop comes with a 14-inch Full HD LED IPS level touch display with 250 nits brightness. It also offers a fingerprint sensor for faster system access. For the build quality, performance and the excellent speakers it comes with, VivoBook Flip 14 is definitely a good buy at Rs 47,000. The budget gaming laptop from the house of HP has a lot to offer for its price. The list includes a quad-core Ryzen 5 processor that runs Windows 10 Home. It is equipped with 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD and 4GB graphics powered by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. The laptop weighs just over 2 kg and offers a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit display. Available for Rs 50,000, this laptop should be considered by those who want more than just performing daily tasks on the device. This laptop is a good buy for its performance, multiple ports, and for its memory and storage options as well. Unlike smartphones, we don't tend to purchase laptops very frequently. We try and use it for say at least 3 to 4 years, which is why it is important to invest in them wisely. So do your research properly and carefully look at the specs and features it offers, and it should fulfill all your requirements. I hope this buying guide has helped you in some way or the other. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel for more of such videos. For now, like and share this one and I will see you in another video.